So today we're going to talk about leptospirosis and floods. Now you know the rainy season is here, lot of rains everywhere and flooding is going to come. And one of the things you worry about when floods is certain infections. One of the ones that's more common, or the one that is more dangerous, is what we call leptospirosis, which is caused by a bacteria called Leptospira. This actually, most of the time this infection comes from infected rat, rodent urine, or even other animals that are infected, that they pass this out this bacteria in the urine, and this is what gets into the waters. In waterfalls, again common. Floods is another area. And you see in Malaysia a lot of times our kids are playing in this rainwater and swimming around, playing in this. This is where the risk of getting leptospira, it is not a simple disease. It can get very serious. After exposure, you can actually get the disease between 2 days to even up to 4 weeks. Symptoms will be just like a lot of other diseases, but mainly like fever, headache, joint pain, jaundice, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, certain rash. Most people actually do recover, but some of them will go on into a second phase. That's why normally a biphasic disease. The second phase is what we call Wales disease, where you get liver, kidney failure, and even meningitis, that is brain infection. And this is actually very fatal. 10% of people actually can get into Wales disease, and this is where you hear about the fatalities that occur. Now, the best thing I feel is that is prevention. Of course, doctors can diagnose the disease with blood tests, and then they can give you antibiotics. But prevention is still very important, because it is a serious disease. So the best thing to do is, if you have cuts, you got bruises, cover them up with a waterproof plaster, even if you do have to go into the water. If you are someone like a children, elderly, immunosuppressed people, avoid going into areas that can be contaminated with this flood water, or even other places like waterfalls. Best thing is prevention. If you are exposed to, let's say, some dirty water, and if you get a fever, quickly go and see a doctor.